My English Book 6 1.3 The Wild Boar and the Fox. In this video, we are going to discuss questions given on page number 9. Learn the following idioms about animals. जानवरों से मुतालिक मुहावरे. As sly as a fox, लोमड़ी की तरह होशियार. As stubborn as a mule, खच्चर की तरह ज़िद्दी. As busy as a bee, एक मक्खी की तरह मसरूफ़. As quiet as a mouse, चूहे की तरह खामोश. As strong as an ox, बैल की तरह मजबूत. As slow as a snail, घोंघे की तरह सुस्त. As brave as a lion, शेर की तरह बहादुर. As free as a bird, परिंदे की तरह आज़ाद. As proud as a peacock, मोर की तरह बाफ़ख्र. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. फाइंड एट लीस्ट 3 suitable objects फॉर द फॉलोइंग एक्शन वर्ड्स. बच्चों, इस एक्टिविटी में आपको जो नीचे एक्शन वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं, हर वर्ड के लिए एटलीस्ट 3 suitable objects आपको लिखने हैं. शार्पन, अ नाइफ, अ पेंसिल, टक्स. राइट, a story, a book, a letter. Decorate, a home, a hall, stage. प्यारे बच्चों, इसी तरह से आपको हर एक्शन वर्ड के लिए 3 suitable objects लिखने हैं. तो आई होप जो बचे हुए एक्शन वर्ड्स हैं उनके लिए 3 ऑब्जेक्ट्स आप लिखेंगे. क्वेश्चन 8. ट्राई टू थिंक ऑफ डिफरेंट आंसर्स to the following why questions. Write down at least 2 of them in English. Number 1. Why are you reading this story? Answers: I like it. It's interesting. I am reading it because it's funny. Number 2. Why are you crying? Answer: I am hungry. I have lost my book. Number 3. Why are you laughing? Answer: I am very happy. I heard a funny joke. Number 4. Why are you sitting on the table? Answer: This is my table. The chair is broken. Like this, you have to complete rest of the questions. Question number 9. Read the situation and the answer. Guess the why question that Akshay asked. Students, in this activity you have 3 situations and 3 answers. You have to make 3 why questions. Okay, let's start. Situation. Amit and Ajay are fighting. Question: Why are you fighting? Answer: He broke my pencil. Situation: Ajay is going home. Why question: Why are you going? Answer: I am hungry. Situation: Amit is waiting at the bus stop. Why question: Why you are waiting here? Answer: I am waiting for the 10 o'clock bus.